If it's your first time,
make some noise. Oh, stay. Sorry, I gotta do it right. I gotta do it. Merry Christmas, baby. Shoot it to
Hey, Faithful Focus family, thank you again so much for joining me. If it's your first time,
make some noise.
You already.
I've been wanting to do that so long. It's official.
It's official. But you already know what time it is. So today I have my brother here with me. If you
Smack is in the house.
Smack is in the building.
that wasn't faithful. That wasn't faithful.
I took my cue from Michi. That's what
okay, right. That was a Michi.
But today I have my brother Smack in the building, and he doesn't know this, but today we are doing reenactments of our favorite movies.
I'm with it.
You in the spirit of Vlogmas.
Okay, yeah, this is good because I don't do blogs.
I know.
I don't. Yeah, it's been a minute since I Instagram, Facebook it-ish, but so I'm good. Okay,
Would you like for me to tell you one of your movies?
Well, I know one of the movies that better be on there is Still Magnolias. Still Magnolias better be on there. Y'all understand? I love Still Magnolias. Y'all understand? I don't know why. I swear, in another lifetime, I'm an old woman.
Old white woman.
Old white woman at that. Caramel. I'm caramel women.
Yeah,
I'm caramel women.
But Still Magnolias is on
okay.
There, so I won't give you any more since you already guessed one. I want to go first. So I'm going to watch my favorite clip of the Little Rascals.
Dear Darla, I hate your stinking guts. You make me vomit. You're scum between my toes. Love, alfalfa.
She gets to me every time because I have never watched this whole movie.
Oh, Tay.
Can't. Who children are these?
I don't know, but even in my 30s, I love the freaking Little Rascals. Dear Darla, you are the scum between my toes.
Oh, too early.
I hate your stinking guts. Love, alfalfa. And the little boys at the end, oh, Tay. Alright, so then the next movie that we are going to be reenacting is your favorite movie, which is Still Magnolias.
There you go.
Alright, is there a scene? What's your favorite scene?
Malin's breakdown.
I'm so mad I don't know what to do. I want to know why. I want to know why Shelby's life is over. I never know what she went through for him. Oh God, I want to know why. I wish I could understand.
No.
Hit somebody so they feel as bad as I do. I just want to hit something. I want to hit it hard.
Here.
Take this. Go ahead, Malin. Slap her. Here now. Are you high, Clary? You lost your mind? We'll sell t-shirts saying I slapped Weezer Boudreaux. Weezer, this is your chance to do something for your fellow man.
Knock the lights out. Have a chicken pin parrot.
Hell, knock the lights out. I
want to know why. No, it's supposed to be me. I don't know why. I just find it so funny because it's just like literally she goes from being happy then to being sad and then no. It's always supposed to be me. I just want to hit somebody. So I swear when she grabbed her hair, hit Weezer.
Do something good.
Knock the lights out. Oh, I should have known this was coming up. I should have known this was coming up. Oh my God, y'all. She always talk about Boomerang. I swear.
When she over, she was like, when I wake up, okay, here go my thing. Here go my thing. He come walking up all nonchalantly like ain't nothing wrong.
Right.
Go ahead and drop that head. You know something wrong. See it shaking.
How'd it go last night?
Well, okay.
I don't even know she got fresh croissants.
Just okay. Must have gone pretty well. You didn't get home until the middle of the night.
I went for a walk so I could sort some things out that was in my head. I was tripping on.
Like the fact that you're still in love with Jacqueline, right?
Angela, I saw the woman and a bunch of stuff that was in me I didn't even know was still there came out. Things happen. And there's certain things you just have no control over, right?
Really?
Like what?
Like love.
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 You know, what do you know about love?
What do you possibly think you know about love? You know, I'm sick and tired of men using love like it's some type of disease you just catch. Love should have brought you home last night.
You call it the pop top on the head.
I heard you say you're sorry. You're sorry and you're tired. You don't love me. You don't love Jacqueline. You only love yourself.
How can you say I never cared about you?
Here you go.
Look, Jack.
One more thing. I might not be all glamorous. I don't have hair weaved all down my back. But let me tell you one great thing about me, all right?
What's that?
I've got a heart. You know the bad thing about having a heart, Marcus? Is that it gets broken when you deal with people like you. Now stay the fuck out of my life.
Y'all, when I tell y'all,
And they probably had to shoot that 4 times.
can I just say, when she said, now stay the beep out of my life, I felt that with every being in my body. She said that with so much conviction.
She
like,
did. She
I don't
did.
know who she had an argument with that day,
She was
who
mad.
she had practiced that script with that night, but she was on it, okay? All right, so tonight's last and final movie will be
Coming to America.
Coming to America. I don't know anybody that has not seen Coming to America.
If you're a 90s or 80s baby or
Yeah.
before that, yeah. 2000.
Yeah, I mean, but it literally is on all the time. So my favorite part is in the beginning. Is this one of your favorite parts of the movie?
I would say it's one of the funnier parts. I wouldn't say one of my favorite parts, but it's definitely one of the funnier
Okay,
parts.
so this is after they have done the introduction of the bride-to-be, and he's like, listen, I can't do this. And he pulls her in the back room, and he's like, this just confirms that I cannot do this, so let's watch.
Her and the Mortal Kombat button she had on.
Ever since I was born, I've been trained to serve you.
Yes, I know this, but I would like to know about you. What do you like to do?
Whatever you like.
What kind of music do you like?
Whatever kind of music you like.
That no matter what I tell you to do, you will do?
Yes, Your Highness.
Anything I say, you do?
Yes, Your Highness.
Bark like a dog. A big dog. Mama on leg. Make a noise like an orangutan.
Yo, when she hopped out this damn room.
Excuse me, honey, for a moment.
Fine girl, isn't she?
All right, guys, that is the end of our reactions to our favorite videos. I hope that, or that's the end to our, what am I trying to say? That's the end. That's the end of our reactions to our favorite movies. That's what I was trying to say. Thank you guys again so much for joining in. That is it, and that's all, folks. Sean, do you have anything to say before we close out?
No, just enjoy the rest of 2020 and, really think good thoughts for 2021. I'll try to get that out.
That is it, and that is all, folks. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Peace. I made some noise.